If you're looking to create stunning landing pages quickly and without any hassle, the LeadPages drag and drop editor might be the solution you're looking for. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use the editor efficiently to build pages that convert. Stick around till the end because I'm going to show you an even better alternative for your needs. But first, let's dive into the LeadPages editor. So, once you're logged into LeadPages, you'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard. From here, the first thing you'll want to do is click on Create New Landing Page. LeadPages provides a variety of templates to choose from. Whether you're building a sales page, a lead magnet, or a simple thank you page, there's a template for almost everything. Next thing, once you select your template, it's time to dive into the drag and drop editor. This is where LeadPages really shines. On the left side of the screen, you'll find all the elements you can drag onto your page: text blocks, images, buttons, videos, and more. Simply click on an element and drag it to the place where you want it. This is where the drag and drop magic happens, and you can see your changes in real time. The third thing you'll want to keep in mind is customization. The editor makes it easy to adjust colors, fonts, and styles to match your brand. If you want to add a background image, you can do that too. The customization options here are pretty flexible, but they do have some limitations compared to more advanced page builders like WordPress or Webflow, which might offer more granular control over your design. Next, let's talk about adding forms. LeadPages integrates with major email marketing tools like MailChimp, Aweber, and ConvertKit, allowing you to capture leads directly from your landing page. Simply drag the form element onto the page and configure it to connect with your chosen tool. It's pretty seamless, but again, if you need more complex form functionality, this could be limiting. The fifth thing to note is the mobile optimization feature. Once you've built your page, LeadPages automatically makes sure it's mobile friendly. But you can also switch to the mobile view and tweak the layout if necessary. This ensures your page looks great on any device. The sixth thing is tracking and A/B testing. LeadPages offers built-in analytics to help you track how your landing page is performing. You can also set up A/B tests to compare different versions of your page and see which one converts better. However, if you're looking for in-depth analytics or more advanced testing features, you might find other tools like Unbounce or InStagepage to be more suitable. Now, before you hit publish, don't forget to integrate your page with your chosen email marketing system, payment processor, or CRM tool. LeadPages offers numerous integrations, but be sure to double-check that everything is connected before launching your page. Finally, once you're happy with the design and functionality, simply hit publish. LeadPages will host your page on its own platform, or you can connect your custom domain if you prefer. The publishing process is easy and quick, making it a good option for users who need a landing page up and running fast. Here's the thing, while LeadPages is a solid option for many people, it's not perfect for everyone. If you're looking for a bit more customization or advanced features like split testing, there are better alternatives that might be more suited to your needs. Stick around till the end of this video, because I'm going to share one of the best alternatives for landing pages that's free and offers exclusive benefits for our viewers. Before you go, remember that if you're looking to dive into LeadPages, we've got a special link that gives you an exclusive, extended free trial. But I've also added some amazing alternatives that could work better for your specific goals and also come with a free trial. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Check it out below.